Holy crap. The pop filter. Oh, sorry, Thor. Sorry. Yeah, I'm new. If anyone's here at all, I'm actually very super very new. Oh, I'm live. Oh, sorry, Thor. Sorry. Okay, so that's actually working. Top chat. Definitely. I'm gonna close this one down, close this one, close this one. Don't need Discord right now. What I need is a Visual Studio. Yes. Most definitely. Chat, YouTube, live. Crap. So, current games. YouTube live control panel. Excellent. We're excellent and we have 0 people in the chat. Concurrent viewers. What's that? Scene, view, profile, docs. Oh. Ooh. Oh, no, that's me chatting. So most definitely, what we're gonna do today is continue where we left off yesterday. So, yeah. No, I shall not enter safe mode because I don't want to be safe. Blue. Blue. I'm blue. Definitely. I know where the errors are. I know how to fix them because they're how do you say it? Syntax errors. They're syntax errors. Enable this guy. Settings. Yes. Voice. Okay. Okay. Okay, back to Visual Studio then. So the thing that I actually effed up is this. So interrupt attack, interrupt action. It shouldn't be called interrupt action. I should maybe, not sure. Because we're actually calling this is sorry. Where we're actually calling this is inside here. So when an enemy gets attacked, so once we contact the handler, we're also gonna throw the defender some thingamajigs. So I would actually call this interrupt attack because when I'm interrupting the action, I may need this in other scenarios also. But if I'm interrupting an action, I already calculated before what the defender stats will be. Actually, the defender reaction will be. So I'm sending inside here also the reaction that is going to play out, right? So if we go back to this, not this, not this, go back, interrupt action. We go to interrupt action, base interrupt action. Yeah, definitely, because we're overriding it. Maybe not. Not sure if I'm gonna need this, but you can't become aggressive, but you can be aggressive. Just sorry for all the excellent people that are supporting me right now. Be right back. Screaming on the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah. Okay, I am back. Very, very back. Good. So let's go back. Interrupted action. The thing is, I can't override this one because not that. I want to go here. I'm just gonna put it over here because I don't actually have a interrupt action here. That would support not taking in these parameters, right? So this is a simple fix. I want to do this. Oh, sorry. Like this. So if we need, we can call the base, but it's actually not needed because the base doesn't really do anything right now. Base character controller. I think I'm gonna move all of this. No, aggression controller. Yeah, the player doesn't have an aggression controller. So definitely I'm moving this one here. Interrupt action. Interrupt attack. It's gonna be this here. Public virtual void. Google is going crazy with security right now. So public virtual void. Interrupt movement. I think we can leave this one here, and this one we're gonna have to move back. Public override void interrupt movement. We're gonna call the base, and we're gonna just do these things. So we lock the nav mesh agent for some time. Is it like this? No. It is public override void interrupt movement. Where? Not in this, not in the entire solution. I want to do in current document. Find all. Oh. Then I don't need that one. So interrupt movement, it's gonna be this, and we're gonna call the base interrupt movement, just like this. Why I want to have this is this base character controller is also used for the player, right? So everything that's going to be done on a character is going to be in the base class, and then we're going to shift and change between enemies and the player, right? I'm just gonna grab this guy. And I'm gonna do this. You know what's the interesting thing? It's not showing like I'm live. Okay, now I am live. Yes. Where did we? Where was I? Interrupt movement. So it's like me like this. I need to override it. Override, avoid, interrupt movement, interrupt movement. I don't need this one, but we're still gonna lock the nav mesh agent. That's okay. I do wanna coroutine interrupt nav mesh agent. I do wanna have this here because I wanna stop the interrupt nav mesh agent coroutine. Just because I don't want it to do later checks. Interrupt action is gonna call the base, definitely. So if it's none, we basically don't do anything. If it's a twitch, we also don't do anything. If it's a flinch, we interrupt the movement. Default, we're gonna do interrupt movement. Oops, sorry. And we have to do interrupt attack. So I'm gonna just grab this one, push it here. Don't need to do here. And it's gonna interrupt the attack for all of these. So basically any of the crowd control reactions. And there are quite a few of them. Let me just check. So flinch doesn't Interrupt attacks, stagger, stun, parry attack, blocked attack. Yes, also blocked, yeah. Knockback, knock up, knock down, trip, fly back, wall bounce, flying wall bounce, floor slide. Yes, all of these guys, basically. Let's continue. Let's continue. I am so good at streaming that nobody's viewing me. One watching now started 15 minutes ago. No, I'm seriously. I am intrigued how people actually start doing these streams and actually get viewers. So anyway, I believe that over time I'm gonna definitely become better, and like maybe two people in the whole world will watch my first stream and see how bad I was. So I don't really care. What I do care is how shall we interrupt the movement. So the movement is going to be interrupted here, and crap. Should I do it? No. Interrupt movement in hit reaction state. Maybe hit reaction state isn't the proper. No, definitely. Um, because this one is used, just let me see where exactly. So it's true if it's in hit reaction state. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Um, so I'm gonna rename it as hit reaction movement lock. So if it's a hit reaction movement lock, true, then do it. I want to go also here, and we're gonna add one more. Public bool is hit reaction. Do we need an attack block? No, I don't think so. Come on, brain, think. So release damage agent. We release this one. That's gonna be okay. And we go. We need one more. Weapon. Melee weapon. Dot attack controller. I think I can call this one. Oh, that's attacker controller. Wrong one. Ba, 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 ba. Disable collider. It's this one, right? Disable collider. Check for collisions. Yes. If collider is null, is not null. Yeah, disable it. Good. I would also go inside here. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drop a to do. I have like a million to dos overall in my code somewhere, which I never come to. But eventually, I'm gonna fix these things. The worst thing is you write it to do. You understand it right now. After 3 months, you come back. You want to just check all the to dos and remove them. Actually, implement the changes, and you actually forget everything. So to do, actually, I don't need a to do. Why would I need it to do? Weapon trail stop. I'm just gonna call this function weapon trail stop. That's it. On enable. I'm not sure if it. Oh, weapon trail start. Where is it called? Weapon trail start melee weapon. Oh, and the base character controller. Okay, where's this one called? Never. Why is it never called? Weapon trail stop. It's called here, here. Wait, that's the definition. It's called here and here. Weapon trail stop. Where's this one called? Never. I'm pretty sure it's called somewhere. Just let me check. Clear. Image is ambiguous between UI image and UI elements. Where? Hmm. Between which two? Unity engine UI image. Okay. Unity. Sorry. Unity engine UI image. I think that should work. No? Which one? Oh, interrupt action. Interrupt action. We have to. Where is this? Hit reaction handler. Wait. I'm already calling this. I am already calling this. No. I'm gonna comment this one out because I'm calling it here. Defender interrupt action. Hit reaction handler. I mean, it could be anywhere. So, sorry. This one is kind of generic contact handler. Yeah, it's generic there. I mean, I could do this. Grab this one. Actually, just call this one with this parameter, and it should work. Just remove these guys. So base enemy. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I don't want it to be on a base enemy. Definitely not a base enemy. Just because it's a base enemy and it would not be called on the player. Let's go back, go back, go back, go back. Here. Actually, now Unity should start. And the thing I want to check is before I continue developing is do my weapon trails play and stop? Yes, they do, definitely. They're actually quite nice. They're a bit thin. Hello. So, I gotta fix those heads. I mean, come on. I'm not there. Oh, that was a knockback? What the hell happened? Oh, I can't wait to actually start doing this guy. Damn. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not working. It's not working. Crap. What happened? Yeah, you can see while I'm hitting him, the eye icon is actually changing here. So in the top left, right next to the text, if he's aggressive, it's gonna be the two swords. If he's just watching me, it's basically the eye. Okay, that's registering. Like the second hit is not registered. Okay, doesn't matter. I'm assuming. This is just me assuming. I'm gonna grab the. Come on. No. What have I done? Gameplay test. Yeah, this one. So I'm gonna grab the animator, drop it here, use the at the project navigation hierarchy. This get the player, basic attacks, attack light. Where is the thingy? I don't need the scene. See profile also not hierarchy. I'm confused. Oh, it's yeah, it's here. It's here. I just forgot where it was. So motion import events. I think it's events. Yeah. Play audio, weapon trail start. Yeah. On the player controller, we use weapon trail start. I kind of don't like that approach, but I'm not sure. Should I like it or should I not? I mean, it gives me really fine control when it actually starts. And it also gives me control because I can change it up a bit and add some code to basically start a different trail depending on the attack. I'm not sure. But do I really want to do it for each and every one of the characters and each of their animations? Animations. Oh, come on. Weapon trail on death. On death not implemented. Great. That just means you can't die. Let's push the scene here. No. Let's go back. Weapon trails. Stop. Start. So this is just because I want to call it there inside of the animation. Oh. I'm not exactly sure what to do. But those are just VFX, right? I mean, there are no serious implications. No, actually, interrupt attack. If we interrupt the attack, we are gonna do definitely. Trail stop. No, I wouldn't do. Don't need a contact event. I need to disable the collider. So interrupt attack should go here, and weapon mainly weapon dot disable collider. And the disable collider also does weapon trail stop. That's it. Weapon trails activate. Yeah, that kind of looks okay. And I guess that's kind of it. It feels weird to finish this feature. Finish. I mean, it's never finished until you test it. Oh, before we actually start. Come on. Come on. Where is it? Visual Studio. Searching for suck to target. I think it's this. The only script that's named suck. Suck to target. Which one? 47. 47. Target selection. Wait, I'm confused. Target selection. Target selection, basically, if I'm right, it's timer interval. What's the timer interval? Is this on the player? Target selection, yeah, definitely. Distance, angle, camera. Oh, it is an interval of 0.2. I'm gonna do error on pause. Just, I want to see what's actually happening. So, that's my target. So, right now, if I move like this, I position myself like this. Oh, come on. Don't get in front. So I'm moved away from him. So I'm watching like probably 30 degrees to the right. And if I attack, he should move towards him. Now he was my primary target for a few seconds because he was the target. So it's basically it's an implementation of stickiness right now. I'm just gonna mute the audio because the audio is currently still, how would you say it? The audio is stand-in, placeholder, or whatever. I kind of want to have a minimum distance also. So instead of like pushing right into him, when I'm attacking, I should be like this distance ish. So what's the distance between these two characters right now? Like if I draw just do the most idiotic measurement. That's a 1 by 1 cube, so about 2 meters ish. Okay. So let's see. This is a twitch. That's a stag. Is it stagger? I forgot. It's a flinch. Flinch. So this one's moving. This one's moving. This one's moving. Come on, attack. Oh, come on. I should. Yes. What the hell happened? Basically, when he was knocked back, like he was knocked back seriously, very, very far. You can see where the player character is. I'm gonna shut off the gizmos. So I was here. I can't really translate very far forward during my attacks. So he was about here, and he moved within a few frames, like this far back. Oh, I know what's happening. I know what's happening. Um, where is it? Suck, suck, suck. Target selection on the player. What is actually happening is here, here. Actually, no, player stuck to target. If you have a melee, while timer duration. So this is a coroutine. Yeah, while this timer is actually doing, he's always gonna try and uh, try and do this thingy. Try to suck to the target. So the first thing that comes to my mind is actually to implement a simple little boolean that's gonna have to be, does target selection have any connection to the suck to target? No, it does not. So so many shows. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a public bool. mm, I need a public boolean for locking the target. Is target locked? And it's gonna be definitely so. I'm gonna also do here. I don't need this hide and inspector. And just to know, set to true while attack lasts while sucking to target. Okay. So what we're gonna do here is we don't need the start and no, don't need the timer. Select target. So what I'm implementing right now is I'm gonna lock the suck to target for several frames. Like this. I'm just gonna grab all of this code and shove it in here. So if we're not locked to a target, so we're gonna be locked to a target while we're attacking. Once we don't attack anymore, we're gonna release the target. So we don't change the targets. Player suck to target. While coroutine suck to target. Yeah, definitely. So here we're gonna go to target selection. I don't have a reference to target selection. Kind of have to have it. Oh, target selection is a it's what I forgot what it's called. A singleton. So singleton. Target locked. Yes. Target selection instance. Yeah. That should fix it. I'm not sure what's causing the character to be thrown back, right? But basically, while we're sucking to the target, suck to target velocity. Yes. So while we are sucking to the target, yeah, that's why I want to have the minimum distance. Like I don't want to get into him. I'm not sure how I was just clicking. I was just like playing around. Not sure if I did the knockback. Oh, and I just remembered. I do have to implement the thingy back. Come on. Come on. I mean, when you want to test a bug, it's never gonna occur. It really doesn't like me. Come on. Attack, attack, attack. No. I'm not really happy with what I'm gonna say, but I'm gonna trust myself that it actually works properly. So the thing that I forgot is to unlock the NavMesh agent. So damageable here, interrupt action. Come on, go to interrupt action. Can become aggressive is false. Otherwise, just call the base one. And I'm gonna go into the base. If it's none, then okay. If it's flinch, then yeah, interrupt movement. Is hit reaction movement locked? And as you can see, we only have this call like 3 times. So unlock navmesh agent. When do we call unlock navmesh agent? Cyclops battle combat idle. Yeah, that's okay. Check rotation. I kind of. I shouldn't check rotations. I mean, when? I'm doing it while I'm checking rotations. And they're being unlocked. Hmm. I'm gonna come back to this. Combat locomotion update. If is on desired position and you can move. Then you're gonna unlock the nav mesh agent. I'm gonna have to do one more here. We're gonna go add and is in hit output controller from base character is in hit. Is this not public? Yes, it's public. Why don't I see it? Because hoplite controller is inheriting from base character controller. Actually, from base enemy and base enemy from base character. But anyway, if is in no is hit reaction movement lock. This has to be negative. Sorry, it has to be false. So if you're not in a hit reaction, yes. This is what combat charging. I mean, if you're entering charging, yeah, definitely unlock the damage agent. Uh, if in a locomotion state, definitely. If you're in release nav mesh agent, I'm gonna need this one. So unlock, unlock, unlock. This one isn't proper. Not that. This one. Else if this. I think I'm okay with this. The check rotation is kind of fuzzy to me. Combat idle. It's always checking rotations. Right. And hoplite combat idle also has to just move this one here. I want to do this. Where is it? Not Cyclops. Base enemy. Oh, so many files. I'm losing track. Sorry. This one. Is this one called anywhere? Yes. Yes. Mono behavior. Do that. And it's gonna release it after 2 seconds after you come back to the combat idle. So what that means is I'm just gonna have to buff my player quickly. Or instead of buffing it, where is the value? Attack area, range, attack angle, walk speed. Na 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 na. I actually forgot where this is. Replacement, damageable character stats. Maybe character stats probably. So stun meter max value, stun duration 3 seconds. Stun duration 10 seconds, stun meter timer. Actually, I don't need these timers, but anyway. The hold timer. Don't actually need that. Reset speed. And the hold duration isn't properly implemented, I guess. So flinch. I'm gonna do like flinch 5. Actually, flinch 0. So that's the red one. And he should flinch every time I attack him. So let's test it. Flinch. Yeah. Flinch. It's unlocking him much quicker. I'm gonna do like 10 seconds. And what I'm gonna do is go in here. And I'm curious when this is gonna be called. Oh, it's actually gonna be called. Can I move back? Back. Debug. Step into, step out. I don't want to step out. I want to step back. Just go one step back. Crap. Actually, this is false. Why is it false? Where is this thing called? Wait, stop. Just stop a second. Player, select the target selection, don't need that. Base character controller, enums, melee weapon controller. I'm just removing things I don't need, so it's a bit easier for me to wrap my head around this. Validate position, release, check release, nav mesh agent. Okay. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna disable these two guys. Disable like this. Okay. Now, let's see. How many times is this gonna be called? Null reference exception. Not exactly sure what's happening. So yeah, he got into the right one. I'm gonna remove this one. Continue. Okay, so he moved to the position. Okay, now stop moving. Okay, now he is gonna release him. Oh, crap. I know what's happening. I should use this one. Wait, maybe I do this already. No, unlock. I should do this one before. So hit reaction movement lock. Remove the lock, unlock Nightmash Agent. Great. Hopefully this is gonna fix it. So right. If I attack him, combat locomotion. He can't move. He can't move. Like for 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Come on, move. Oh, was it 5 or 10 seconds? Length? Oh, 10 seconds. Right, definitely. Like, and 3, 2, 1, go. Move. Move. Okay. Yay. It's working. It's working. Yay. Super happy. Super happy. You can hear my claps. Uh, I'm going to lock it for 20 seconds, like 2 seconds. And let's just quickly do a attack controller refactoring. Yeah, definitely. I'm still doing that. Definitely. Um, added a what should we call it? A lock for navigation when being attacked. Also add. What did we add? Also disable colliders. Weapon colliders. Weapon colliders. And bigger crowd control. Bigger, larger, heavier. Commit. Push. Definitely. Actually, what I'm gonna do right now is, because I am a very, very serious game developer, super serious, always, all of the time. Uh, I made a project using the Visual Studio on DevOps, Azure DevOps thingy. So I do have a board here. There were items that I made like a long time ago. A long time ago. Enemy selection system feels unresponsive. Yeah, definitely. That's the next thing I want to fix. Enemy navigation to stop while being hit. Yes, definitely. This is, I would say this is done. And also, I'm going to write a comment. Definitely. So, enemies now wait for a preset hard-coded value time, preset time, after being attacked. Timer starts when they come back to, what's it called? What's it called? I forgot. What's the thing it called? Combat idle. Combat idle state. Combat idle state. Save. Yay. Right. Next one. Next one in my backlog. Enemy selection feels unresponsive. Uh, just for me, no, no, no. Those are two things. New work item, PBI. Suck to target should stop on a fixed distance. Description. Suck to target currently gets you too close to the enemy and you quickly lose control because of the damn, how do I say this? Because of the quick change the angle of attack. Keep the player at a minimum distance of how much? Crap. How much? I don't want you to like jump into him. So what I want you to do is keep it distance between the player. I mean, if you run into him, that's like your problem. uh, will I have? No, I'm definitely not gonna have. Oh crap! I could have. Oh man. So the bigger enemies, bigger. I'm gonna say bigger enemies. Like here's the Cyclops. Where is he? So here's the Cyclops. That's the base model. And if you compare the Cyclops to you, he's huge, right? Right. So his nav mesh agent, where is it? This one has errors. Where's the nav mesh agent? His nav mesh agent is huge. Actually, it's not that huge. I mean, if he was bigger, will we fight anything much bigger than this? I want to say no. I really want to say no. No, no. We're not going to fight anything bigger than this because we don't have the budget for it. I mean, he's already fat and big. I do really like this asset. I am going to modify it. I am going to give all of these guys armor just because they actually need it. Because the lore in this game also says that the Cyclops is actually smart. It's not a dumbass. Between the player, nav mesh agent, and the enemy nav mesh agent. Assign this to me, definitely. because there's no one else who's gonna do it. And with that, I believe we're gonna conclude today's stream. Um, Honestly, if anyone watches this and if anyone watches this to the end, thank you. I mean, I'm gonna really appreciate it. Uh, if you want to get in touch to me, I do have a Discord channel. A link should be somewhere on the description of the channel. So come join me, write me a message. If you're interested in anything, definitely come say hi. Okay. Um, really, with that, I'm just gonna say bye.